Yo, YouTube, what is up? It's your boy Two Shells here, man, and we got our first vlog on the new vlog channel. I want to show y'all something that's absolutely insane that I can't believe I did to this day, man. I bought me something that's very nice. Take a look. Frost is a little dirty right now, but we got the G80 out here, man. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what this baby looking like, man. Fully stocked, no mods, no nothing. Just got this off the lot 4 days ago. Brand new, 22 miles, man. It's just so beautiful. She's just so beautiful. We decided we went with that orange interior. Orange interior. Let me know what you think about that. But we got that glacier white going. Love these fucking rims, bro. I love them so much. This is stock, but the reason I'm making this video right now is because I do plan on getting it tinted. Right now we in a little fish bowl. You feel what I'm saying? A little bit of a fish bowl, but it's cool. My plan right now is to get it a matte PPF, which I shall be doing tomorrow, and also getting tints. I might get the tints today if I'm feeling really hungry and just going, because they're gonna do them at the same place. But I really do want the tints, even if I don't get that matte PPF. But I do think I'm gonna get the matte PPF full body, so it'll look even frostier. So the name Frost is really gonna come through for real. You feel what I'm saying? But here's the G80, man. She sounds beautiful. Listen to this baby stock, by the way. Listen, no mods, no exhaust pipes, no down pipes, nothing has been done to this car. Literally just bought it off the lot. So right now I'm gonna play all the sounds for you of it stock. In comfort mode, M1 and M2. Sounds beautiful, man. I fucking love this car. I can't wait till we do some things to it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think or what you would do to your G80 M3 if you had, or if you do have one, let me know what you did to your G80 M3. And I'm excited to see, man. This is my first fucking beautiful car, like, you know what I'm saying? So I'm really excited, but I can't fucking wait, man. Let's listen to these. Let's listen to this shit, man. Such a beauty, bro. I fucking love this G80, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm like in love with her. But let me know. First time getting a G80, I just wanted to show y'all again. Before we get the tints done, right now it's fishbowl. And before we get that matte PPF with the ceramic coating on top of that, that's the first things first, man. But let me know in the comment section what y'all think. Make sure you guys smash that like button if you enjoy, or if you like the car. If you want a G80, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. We got more videos coming soon. This is gonna be a crazy channel, man. I appreciate y'all for hanging out with me. Two Shells, Frosty G80, we out of here, man. Peace.